Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity, specifically discussing the latest version, features, and best practices in 2024. In 2024, cybersecurity has certainly undergone significant changes. One of the most impressive developments is the use of artificial intelligence (AI) in cybersecurity software to detect threats more effectively and efficiently. With this technology, software can stay updated with the latest threat intel and identify potential risks before they cause harm. Another feature is the ability to monitor all connections directly from the OS. This means that you can see all your connections and monitor them in real time, providing enhanced security measures. Moreover, remote access protocols have been redesigned for better security. Instead of needing multiple VPNs for various purposes, organizations now only need one secure VPN that meets all necessary requirements. This simplifies the process while maintaining top-notch security standards. Overall, these new features and best practices in 2024 are designed to improve security across your network and provide a more comprehensive approach to cybersecurity. By staying updated on these advancements and implementing them where possible, you can help ensure a safer online environment for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and insights. Until next time, stay safe online.